Kind.
Kind.
She is always kind to animals. Mean.
Mean.
Don't be mean to your sister. Friendly.
Friendly.
Our neighbors are very friendly. Rude.
Rude.
That was a rude comment. Brave.
Brave.
The firefighter was brave. Shy.
Shy.
He's too shy to speak. Funny.
Funny.
That movie was really funny. Serious.
Serious.
She has a serious face. Lazy.
Lazy.
I felt lazy on Sunday. Active.
Active.
He's an active child. Polite.
Polite.
Always be polite to others. Clever.
Clever.
That's a clever idea. Stupid.
Stupid.
That was a stupid mistake. Calm.
Calm.
Try to stay calm. Angry.
Angry.
Dad was angry with me. Worried.
Worried.
She looked worried. Excited.
Excited.
I'm excited about the trip. Tired.
Tired.
I feel tired today. Bored.
Bored.
He gets bored easily. Confused.
Confused.
I'm confused by this question.